Hello guys, still in Ebonyi state in 2024. We are going to be driving through this route. We have not gone through this route since we started. Okay, so this side is around Mbukobe down to Ebonyi state GRA. Even we'll now get to Hashri. From Hashri we are going to go as far as Abakaliki and down to Hausa quarters, but we are going to end this vlog at Abakaliki flyover. Okay, I really hope you're going to enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new. Okay, and to my returning subscribers, the old G's, okay, on this channel, God bless you. Love you, love you. Okay, just keep watching, enjoy the vlog.
You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. And if I ever leave, oh, look what I carry me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get you dollar, she did with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. Oh, love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweet. That story. So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away, far away. Yeah. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She enter Atlanta, she go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. Yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance, I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby assurance. Yeah, yeah. Oh, sport check, yeah. Music for the garden. You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. And if I ever leave, oh, look what I carry me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get you dollar, she did with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. When money and love is sweet, that bad story. So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, Chuma my lover. She enter Atlanta, she go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister, Chuma my lover. Yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance, I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby assurance. Yeah, yeah. Oh, sport check, yeah. Music for the garden. You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. If I ever leave, oh, look what I carry me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, Chuma my lover. She get the dollar, she did wear designer. Say I am looking for a sister, Chuma my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. When money and love is sweet, that bad story. So brother man go got the liver, call a little.
So guys, if you still remember, we have a video of this Hatchery Road back in our channel. You can Google search so you can compare the developments. Okay, just keep watching. I hope you're still enjoying the vlog. Don't forget to like and drop your opinion at the comment section.
Baby, I go take care of you personally. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? All your problems, I know, say solution ahead. Oh. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yeah. Mama born you, your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you well. Yeah. Know you fell in love and nobody caught you, and I got your body, oh. My baby, see, got me hot down, oh. Your body, oh. Now you wake go chop on my money, oh. I like your body, oh. My baby, see, got me hot, oh. Your body, oh. Now you wake go chop on my money, oh. Baby, I go stick with you like bamboo. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Prepare the rest, you my toy tomato. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Cause your mama born you, your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. See, I wanna hold you, girl, I love you. Girl, I wanna love you well. I know you fell in love, but nobody caught you, baby. Baby, I go take care of you, passing honey. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Baby, I go take care of you, personally. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? All your problems, I know, say solution ahead. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yeah, yeah. Mama born you, your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl, I love you. Girl, I wanna love you, yeah. Know you fell in love and nobody caught you. And I got your body, oh. My baby, see, got me hot down, oh. Your body, oh. Now you wake go chop on my money, oh. I like your body, oh. My baby, see, got me hot, oh. Your body, oh. Now you wake go chop on my money, oh. Baby, I go stick with you like bamboo.
So I really hope you enjoy watching. Okay, this is where we are going to end this video, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye, love you.